Wow. This cough reminds me on being a smoker. Hey everyone, how ya doing? It's me, Timothy. Yeah, this cough I got reminds me of being a smoker. When I was a smoker, I had this kind of cough. But now that I don't smoke anymore, I don't have that cough, but ever since coming down with this cold and everything, I got this cough now. It's crazy. I think it's the crazy weather that we've been having here in Michigan. One minute it will get warm, and the next minute it get cold. Just wished it would stay warm or cold, either way. Don't any of you agree this weather's been wacko? I know it's been wacko for us here. It's been a wacko weather. So how's everyone's Wednesday been for ya? Hope your Wednesday's been a good one and treating you all real good. How's the weather for you out there? Ours is on kind of a cloudy side here in Michigan today. No rain, that's one good thing. Yeah, no rain, that's one good thing. After having rain all day yesterday, the rain has subsided and just a cloudy day. Just a cloudy day here in Michigan. The temps are supposed to get up in the 70s, they're saying, today and tomorrow. And then, I guess for this weekend, for Saturday and Sunday, temps are going to be up in the 50s. So if any of you like that, I'll send it your way. Just leave a comment, let me know. So, what does everyone have planned to do on this Wednesday? Any big plans for any of you? If any of you got any plans, please enjoy them. Not much for us today. Not much for us today. I went to go get my son some breakfast from Taco Bell. He wanted some breakfast from Taco Bell, so he gave me the money and I went to go get him some breakfast from Taco Bell. And then I came home. Then I took Penny over there to her appointment, didn't I?
Yep.
Exercise appointment. And I dropped her off. Then I went downtown and browsed around down there for a while. They had a farmer's market going on, so I checked that out and browsed around down there. And then after that, I went back to where my van was and chilled until it was getting close to go pick up Penny. So I went to go pick her up and waited for her, and she see me in the parking lot and came to me. And then after that we went down and watched some trains go by. Yeah, we love watching trains go by. Watched the Amtrak and a couple of Canadian Nationals. And then after that we left and came home. We're planning on heading off to the library so I can use their computer to upload. But before that, got to stop at the bank and get some money out because got to pay for my DirecTV bill, so got to do that. And then after that, we'll go to the library. Well, first, got to go to Meijer and get a money order, then got to get a stamp, then mail it, then go to the library. Then after that, we got to stop at Family Fare so Penny can get her medication from Family Fare. And then after that, then we'll come home and I'll take my shot. Then I'll probably head off to get something for dinner tonight. I don't know what yet, but we'll decide. And when we do, we'll get it and have it and have a good dinner on this Wednesday evening. And enjoy having it, watching our local news. Watching our fine local news and see what's been happening around this fine local area. And then after that, it will be the evening news. And then after that, Wheel of Fortune. And then after that, I'll flip it to the Travel Channel so I can watch Destination Truth. Unexpected Unknown. And watch that. And then at 9 o'clock, gotta go upstairs and push record for Penny, and so she can have Supernatural on tape, and she'll be upstairs watching that tonight. A couple more shows of that. Yeah, a couple more shows of Supernatural. And then that will be coming to an end till fall time, people. Till fall time. But she'll be upstairs watching that, and I'll be down here in the living room watching Unexpected Unknown on the Travel Channel. And then I gotta wait till midnight for that to return so I can record it. Yeah, so I'll be recording Unexpected Unknown. And that will be my Wednesday. My awesome and wonderful Wednesday. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video here, and if you did, go thumbs up on it. Yeah, go thumbs up. Also, if you're new and came along this video, can you hit that red subscribe button below? Hit it below, that way you can check out my other videos I have up. I got plenty, so find some and share some with your family and friends. Hopefully they'll come and subscribe to me, but please do that, won't ya? Please do that. Well, again, everyone, you all take it easy out there. Have a fantastic one. And if any of you out there are getting close to going in a wonderful Thursday, I'm stepping into Thursday, well, here's a thumbs up Thursday for ya. And if any of you are still in the Wednesday and having a good old rockin' Wednesday, here's a thumbs up Wednesday for you too. Again, y'all take it easy out there. Have a good one, everyone. I'll be talking to you real soon.